আউযু বিল্লাহি মিনাশ শাইতানির রাজিম বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম ওকে আজকে কিছু পড়াশোনা শুরু করা যাক let's learn something new from here so we're gonna learn today about the types of river stream okay river stream or channel pattern okay. So we search on Google, we find Biju's file, and we find from geography in. I don't know any of them who made this and who didn't make. Okay. Okay, let's look at the PPT slide share. Find it easy, man. So okay, so this is the drainage pattern. So it has a lot of name: river patterns, drainage pattern, river stream. Okay, so drainage pattern, hydrology and morphology. There is a video. I know I'm not gonna watch this. Okay, let me open this one. This is the first page. Okay, so what is drainage pattern? How to make it big, man? I need to make it bigger. Is it a ad? What the hell is going on? Okay. Should I download it? Will I able to download? How to make this page bigger? Where is the option? Shit. Save it for later. No, I need now. Okay, let's read from here. Like it's small, but okay, I can read it. What the hell? So what is drainage pattern? Drainage pattern is pattern formed by the stream, rivers and lakes in a particular drainage basin. Okay, drainage pattern হচ্ছে এমন একটা pattern by the stream, okay, rivers, নদী নালা, lakes in a particular drainage basin, কোনো একটা আচ্ছা river basin. The drainage pattern of an area is the outcome of the geological time period. Okay, এটা হচ্ছে একটা জিওলজিক্যাল টাইম পিরিয়ডের একটা আউটকাম, ফসল, নেচার and a structure of rocks, topography, slope, amount of water flowing, and the periodicity of the flow. Okay, let's go ahead. So how are drainage pattern formed? So we already know the drainage channel develop where surface runoff is enhanced and earth materials provide the least resistance to erosion. Their patterns develop in response to local topography and surface geology. Okay, types of drainage pattern. So there is a lot of type: dendritic, rectangular, angular, parallel, trellis, angular, radial, centripetal, and then barbed, and then deranged. Okay, so this is the dendritic pattern. So this is how it's look like dendritic pattern. Okay, it goes from here to, okay, it's like a tree branches. Okay, next one, rectangular pattern. Okay, so it has a main stream and it has also a lot of substream. Okay, fair enough. And then angular pattern, so it's kind of circular motion, more acute angle than rectangular drainage patterns. Okay, so it's kind of angular, that have a lot of angle. And this one is parallel pattern. Okay, this one looks nice. And then trellis pattern, so this one is trellis pattern. Common garden trellis. Trellis drainage pattern looks similar to the common garden trellis. This develops where sedimentary rocks have been folded and tilled and then eroded to varying degree depending on their strength. Tributaries join at high angles of an, okay, fine. Biscuit looks like biscuit. This is parallel drainage and this is trellis drainage. Okay, angular, so it's like a circular motion. It's flowing like a circular motion. An angled drainage pattern is a drainage pattern in which stream flow is nearly circular or concentric pattern along with a weak rock band. Resembling a ring in the plane, this pattern typically develops in domes. Okay, fine. So this is radial pattern, so central uplift and centripetal, central depression. So radial and centripetal. So radial is when from the center it's radiating outward. When it goes inward, does it mean centripetal? Barbed drainage pattern. So barbed. Why it is barbed? Barbed is a result of capture of the main river which completely reverses its direction of flow while the tributaries continue to point in the direction of former flow. Orun River, Nepal is a good example of this type of drainage pattern. Deranged drainage pattern. Deranged drainage system is a drainage system in drainage basin where there is no coherent pattern. Okay. To rivers and lakes, it happens in areas where there has been much geological disruption. Does it has more? Okay, why is drainage pattern important? I don't need those things. Why drainage pattern is important? Okay, still I can need the patterns which streams form are determined by inequalities of surface slope and rock resistance. This being true, it is evident that the drainage pattern may reflect original slope and structure of successive episode. Okay, fine, man. But I need something else. I need like oxbow lake, then what? Oxbow lake and meandering stream pattern. Okay, so let's see if we find meandering stream. Okay, I can read the stage of the river. Stage of rivers. Okay. Okay, Bijus. Let's see what it says. Indian, probably this one is okay. What is this? What the heck? Just go back, man. I don't want to read these things. BBC? Does BBC also producing something like that? Okay, nice. The following three diagrams show various types of river landscapes. So source, this is the source. Interlocking surplus. Okay, this is interlocking surplus. Okay, just overflow from here. And then it comes to the gorge, sudden slope, and then V-shaped valley. Waterfall, and it creates V-shaped valley. Okay. What is most? This is the upper course river. Okay, upper course river. The following three diagrams show various types of river landscape. The next one is here is moderately sloping land meander. Okay, it's like zigzag, river cliffs and river beach. Middle course of river. This is middle course of river, flat plain. Okay, Levy, oxbow lake. It's create an oxbow lake here, just stack water. Okay, estuary. It's the mouth. Okay, it's created a big mouth here. Okay, not very detailed and not very satisfying. Should I go to again there? I don't want to go. Okay, but I still have to go. Still have to go to the what? Okay, this is a common school. Let's see common school. It is PDF. So let's see the PDF. Science, art, science. Okay. So this is something what I'm looking for, a stage of stream. So okay. So there are young stage when it is young, mature stage, and the older stage. So young stage, the stage represent the earliest stage of a stream where most of its energy used to downcut or erode a narrow V-shaped valley. This valley, which typical cross section is V-shaped, like V. Okay, young enough. So this is and mature stage. What happened in mature stage? Further downstream, water added to the stream from tributaries and from groundwater increases the size or width of the stream, the slope during. So this is where it's create meanders. Okay, so this is the young stage when it comes from its source. Okay, and then it uh, flow through the valley. Okay, so it becomes like zigzag. So it is called meander, and then the oldest stage. This is the oldest stage at the end. So oldest stage, youngest stage, mature stage. So mature in the middle. So understood very much mature. So this is meandering and this is oxbow lake. Okay, oxbow lake, like water stuck in certain places. Floodplain is an area of flat land found on either side of the river. Okay. So this is how it's look like when it reaches to the oldest stage. Okay. So okay, fine, understood. But what is the at the end, man? I should go through all of them. Following illustration. Okay. This is perfect. Straight channel, narrow V-shaped, floodplain, winding channel, wider valley with sloping walls, oxbow lake. So this is oxbow lake, meandering channel, broad valley. Okay. What else it has to do? Three stage of river. Good to see. Good to. This is another school, Hampton Junior School. Okay, let's see if they have good illustration. Then it will be good to read. Otherwise, it's not. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Okay, come on, man. I don't wanna see this one once again. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. اللهم صل على. Okay. So to identify the characteristic of the three stages of river. Vocabulary channel, small particles of solid materials. Sediment, an area of low ground next to a river which sometimes floods. Altitude, the height of an object normally measured from the sea level. Floodplain, a groove in the land along which a river flows. Okay, vocabulary channel. So you need to answer channel, a groove in the land along which a river flows. Sediment, small particles. Okay. Altitude, height of an floodplain. You know what is floodplain? An area low ground next to a river which sometimes floods. Okay, did you know the Grand Canyon took 17 million years to form? No, I didn't know that. 17 million. 17 million. Wow. 1 crore 70 lakh. Okay. So this is the river. Okay, can I do it full screen? How can I do it, man? Yes, it does. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay. Rivers are split into three stages. Okay, it's split into three stages: upper course, middle course, lower course. Okay. So this is upper course, middle course, and lower course. At each stage, a river has different characteristic. Altitude, it has different altitude, okay. Height, channel width, okay. Channel width, water speed, and the speed of water, amount of erosion, and how much erosion it does. Okay, it just, this one, like, good materials, I think. The upper course of a river start at the source. This is a stream in the Alps mountain range in Australia. Okay. Describe the characteristic of the upper course. Think about altitude, channel width, water speed, amount of erosion. Okay, these four things. You often find this feature in a river's upper course. Can you identify them? Yes, this is rapids where they do fun. This is waterfall where we go to see, and this is V-shaped valley. Never go there. Sometimes some people goes canyon or gorge. Okay, this is canyon. Canyon, there is difference between valley, V-shaped valley, and canyons. Look at this. Can you find any difference? Yes. It is sudden slope that goes down suddenly, and it just V-shaped. Gradually, it's going down. Just, it is just sudden down. Okay, this is part of middle course of the Vítava River in the Czech Republic. Okay, এটা হচ্ছে Czech Republic. Describe the characteristic of the middle course. Think about altitude. Okay, I don't know nothing. Tributary stream contribute water, making the river wider and bigger. Okay. Why do river gets wider as they flow from source to mouth? So it goes from source to the mouth, and it gets bigger, right? Wider. After heavy rain, the river water level rises. Sometimes a river bursts its bank. Okay. Yeah, and overflow on the floodplain. এটা কখনো কখনো burst its bank. সমুদ্র মানে নদীর তীরের উপরে পানি চলে আসে and overflows on the floodplain. এবং এটা অতিরিক্ত ভাবে কি প্রবাহিত হয়. This is the lower course of the river Rhine flowing through Düsseldorf in Germany. I couldn't pronounce this one. Okay. What do you call the place where a river meets the sea? Okay, good question. Answer me. What do you call? Will it be copied? What do you call when a river estuary?
According to Topper.com, an estuary is the area where a river meets the sea or ocean, where fresh water from the river meets salt water from the sea.
Okay, understood. So this is estuary. It's called estuary, okay? So this is all about did you put them in the right place? Okay, I don't need to put them in the right place. Okay, this one was good to see. It has something easy to understand. This is the upper course, middle course, and okay, that was all for today. No, I need to read more. More. Stage of river. Okay, can I see this one? Oh, it's okay. Floodplains and flood. So this is young stream, steep slope. Okay, this is fully steep, and mature, moderate slope. Then old stream, gentle slope. This is gentle slope. It also describes with the slope, gentle, moderate, and steep. When you are young, you are always like doing stuff which is really speedy, steep. And when you are mature, you become like a little bit moderate, understanding, and then you become old and you become very, very gentle. You can move like a lot. You move slowly and slowly. So that's what happens within the river: young stage, mature stage, and old stream. Okay, fair enough. I think you understood this one. Okay, young stage, you're just doing things. rapidly, and you can break everything wherever comes along your path. And when you are mature, you becomes like little bit moderate, but still you have enough speed. But when you are old, you are gentle slope, and you becomes like marmara, like you become slow, and you take a look everything. Okay, stage of river. So what it's young stream flow fast through steep valleys. They're found in mountains or hilly regions and may have white water rapids and waterfall. They have high levels of energy and erode the stream bottom more than the sides. Okay. This is a steep-sided V-valley shaped potholes, it's rubbles kind of eroded in stream beds. In its young, youthful stage, a river is full of splash and vigor. It forms waterfalls and rapids and erodes downward, forming deep gullies. Gullies, sorry, not gullies. Mature stage, mature rivers flows down a more gradual slope with carved, called meanders, the flat plain. Okay, all these rivers flow very slowly through a river broad. Flat plain is carved. A river in the stage mostly erode its sides, causing changes in its meander like the Mississippi. Meandering can eventually be cut off, forming oxbow lakes. Okay, there are a lot of meanders. Look at the meanders. Different kind of meanders. What can cause the banks of the Colorado River to be so steep? Okay. Okay, understood. Like three stage, young, mature, and like finally older stage. Causes of rejuvenation. Juvenation, climatic change, glaciation, and change in rainfall, tectonic changes. Okay. Fair enough. I have read enough. Just need to go to back. So this is flat plane. Flat plains. Okay.